Introducing the 2023 Skoda Enyaq RS-IV RS5 Door Auto in stunning green. This electric hatchback boasts luxurious comfort and accessories features like satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone, and ambient lighting. With top-notch security and safety features including multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and anti-collision system, you can drive with peace of mind. The exterior is complemented by roof rails, spoiler, and privacy glass, while the interior offers luxury trim and a load cover parcel shelf. This vehicle also includes headlight washers, powertrain warranty, and self-driving capabilities. Rest assured, this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Visit spiritskoda.ie or call us today for more information on this remarkable vehicle.